AVA AI is getting listed on KuCoin December 5th, 2024 at 11 UTC time. And here is the contract address. If we click on this, it takes us to SolScan. You can see the information here. This is the token address. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to open up Dex Screener, go to search, and now we're going to paste the address that we just copied. This one has the most trading volume, so we're going to go ahead and pick this one. And then of course you can see the token address right here. So let's go ahead and click on this just to see what kind of price action we're having. Currently at the moment, it's at 0.04917 at the time of recording. We can see the market cap is 49.1 million. The fully diluted is also 49.1 million with locked liquidity of 1.4 million. Now, if we go to their website, Hello World, we can see this is an AI engine for storytelling, built for a new generation of creators and brands. So this is another AI agent that can create some massive gains. So for this AI agent, you can pick a personality. You can also look, chat, play, and connect. And this is also integrated with the following platforms. With this, there's immersive content, make your IP viral, generate short videos, kickstart live streams, conduct video calls, and create memes endlessly. Currently, the Hello World ecosystem has over 1 million users, over 70,000 creations, and over 35 million interactions. They joined about a year and a half ago and currently have 142.3 thousand followers. And this is the AI engine for storytelling, a world of AI agents that you can see, hear, and grow with. Let me know in the comments if you have an AI agent and what does it do. So how did you hear about it as well? Excited to see AVA Holo now has access to real-time market news and social intelligence data. I'm very curious to see what this is going to do for the market. If you have any idea, let me know in the comments below. It was also reposted. You can now auto-generate video replies, and soon they're going to integrate the following: greater facial emotion range, dynamic background and media display based on spoken content, dynamic body placement, and of course there's more. And they also have a desktop app that you can download. And all this can be found on their X page. And currently at the moment, the trading starts within 3 hours. Let me know in the comments if you will be buying this. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.